looking for admissions in MBA? Log into admissions@bssis.ac.in or info@bssis.ac.in just at your doorstep. Exceptional learning pattern with additional PGP program with Synergy University, Russia. Registrations are open.
BSSS Rhythm. BSSS Rhythm. BSSS Rhythm.
BSS Rhythm Podcast. Yes, once again, I am Amir Mehboob. I am back with another personality, another celebrity. Ladies and gentlemen, as it is said, that winners don't do different things, they do things differently. And once a winner, always a winner. So in the same series, we try our level best to request and invite people of different fields of experts who have done something extraordinary and who have earned name and fame not only for the state but for the country. So in the same series, we are privileged to have Mrs. Apeksha Dabral at BSS Rhythm Podcast. Welcome to BSS Rhythm, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Amir sir. It's an absolute pleasure.
Thank you very much. Pleasure is all ours. I would like to tell something about Apeksha. She was the winner of Mrs. Madhya Pradesh. Then she represented Madhya Pradesh and she won the crown of Mrs. India also. And her journey did not stop here. She went ahead and she represented our country in Cambodia for the Universal Women Award. Yes, it is a very unique and a different kind of a pageant जिनके बारे में अपेक्षा जी ही हमको बताएंगी. And she was a hot favorite there and she was a wonderful performer there. Apart from that, she is an excellent orator. She is a life coach, a trainer, and a motivational speaker. Along with this, she is doing something. She's contributing in the areas of social work because she is a very good human being. She thinks because after talking to her, after reading about her in newspapers and magazines, and after knowing about her, I have come to know that she is a wonderful human being doing so much for the society as well. So ये तो जितना मुझे मालूम था. Over to Apeksha. Thank you very much once again for taking out time to come to BS Rhythm. It's truly an honor to have you here. How do you feel today?
Oh, it is ecstatic, sir. I mean, to hear about one's achievements through someone's mouth is a feeling that I cannot explain, because that really tells us that we've achieved something in life and we've done something for the society. We have set a benchmark for the society, especially for the youth, because this is rhythm. और हम यहाँ पर मुझे लगता है एक rhythm set करने आए हैं जिससे कि आज के youth को एक गाइडेंस या एक रास्ता मिले,
इंस्पायर्ड हो वो जी.
बिल्कुल. तो यदि इन लोगों ने ध्यान से नहीं सुना है तो ये मिसेस कैटेगरी है जो मैंने जीती थी.
मिसेस कैटेगरी है. और मैं यहाँ पे अपेक्षा को रोकना चाहूँगा. मुझे लगता है कि मिस is easier, Mrs. is difficult because they have got their personal obligations also, they have got their beautiful families to take care of and other responsibilities, and even then, so good, congratulations. Yeah.
थैंक यू. बट वो होता है ना कि सपोर्ट सिस्टम के थ्रू और अपनी ट्राइब को साथ लेके चल के आपको बहुत इंथुजियाज्म और इनकरेजमेंट मिलता है. तो इनिशियली मेरे ख्याल से सब एसोसिएट कर पाएंगे कि जब बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं आपसे तो यू फील द प्रेशर.
राइट.
बट टू टर्न दैट प्रेशर इनटू द एयर बीनीथ योर विंग्स, और वो उड़ान लेने के लिए जब आप अपने पंख उठाते हैं तब आपको समझ में आता है कि आपका ट्रू वर्थ क्या है. सो आई हैव बीन वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट इन हैविंग टीचर्स, मेंटोर्स, फ्रेंड्स, वेल विशर्स ऑल थ्रू आउट माई जर्नी, जो कि 2022 में चालू हुआ फ्रॉम द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ मिसेस मध्य प्रदेश, जो कि एक रजिस्टर्ड पैजेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है. वो जीत कर मैंने मिसेस इंडिया एम्प्रेस ऑफ द नेशन विच इज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय डीवा पैजेंट्स, वो जीता. उसके बाद क्योंकि आपने कहा और सबकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि ये लड़की अब इंटरनेशनल भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन करे, तो मुझे ये सौभाग्य मिला कि मैं भारत का नेतृत्व कर पाती एट द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ यूनिवर्सल वुमेन
इन कंबोडिया.
बिल्कुल. और यूनिवर्सल वुमेन एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि ऑल इंक्लूसिव प्लेटफॉर्म है. सो इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ you being married, unmarried, single, divorced, even a transgender, you can definitely participate and promote yourself as a brand. dance. So I was fortunate to be the only Indian lady to represent India
Wow.
at the platform of Universal Women, where I won the Best International Social Project.
Very good. Wow, that sounds very interesting. Could you please tell us something about your social project, as you just mentioned? Very good.
Yes, my social project was on menstrual hygiene.
Okay.
So I closely work with Kalakunj Foundation, which is established in Bhopal and run by Pooja Shri Chokse. We met at an event and she told me this is what I'm interested in, and I said this is something which is very close to my heart as well. Because on a daily basis, I come across women who are either anemic or have issues during the periodic days. Somehow they are not able to manage and function the way they usually manage and function.
Yes.
That got me into thinking, and I thought कि ऐसा क्या किया जाए कि थोड़ा psycho educate किया जाए even the teenagers, both boys and girls, about puberty, about reproduction, how to handle it, how to manage it. तो हम 3 verticals पे काम करते हैं. एक जो कि ये टीनेजर्स बच्चों को मेंस्ट्रुपीडिया करके एक वर्ल्ड नोन बुक है जो कि कॉमिक स्ट्रिप के फॉर्म में आती है, जो कि
Okay.
बच्चों को ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देती है.
जी.
Second vertical is the active menstruating population. So we do a pad distribution drives, etc. We let women know that their personal hygiene is very important because they're the foundation of their houses.
Right.
अगर वो स्वस्थ नहीं रहेंगी तो उनका परिवार भी स्ट्रॉन्ग और स्वस्थ नहीं रह पाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
तीसरा वर्टिकल जिस पे मैं बहुत क्लोजली काम करना चाहती हूँ वो है स्विचिंग फ्रॉम सैनिटरी पैड्स टू मेंस्ट्रुअल कप्स.
Okay.
Because it is ecological friendly, it is very economical, plus it helps in reducing the wastage that we still don't know what to do about. So एक बहुत बड़ा परसेंटेज है जो कि ना वेट वेस्ट में जाता है ना ड्राई वेस्ट में जा पाता है. उसके लिए एक अलग तरीके का डिस्पोजल सिस्टम होता है. तो अगर कप्स के थ्रू हम उसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं तो हम एनवायरनमेंट पे बहुत ध्यान दे पाएंगे. तो ये मेरा तीसरा वर्टिकल है जिस पे मैं बहुत क्लोजली काम करना चाहती हूँ.
Yeah, but there were some movies also on this topic, and still people feel, hesitated on while talking on these topics.
Yes.
So, what do you say? How should we go about with our student community, student fraternity? Because we are not only supposed to give them subject knowledge, because BSS is a place where our students are not only groomed and trained academically, but they are. It is made sure that they become all-rounders. So,
बिल्कुल.
any message?
Yes, I think you've answered the question yourself, Amir
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Communication, talking about it.
Yes.
I don't know why it's still a taboo to talk about sanitary pads, why it is still wrapped in a black polythene bag, not just physically but also in our minds.
Even in a newspapers or something.
Yes. So it's a natural process. Women are built differently. God has created us in a different manner. There's a
Ji.
specific purpose of, women on earth.
Right.
So if you get your periods and if you're uncomfortable, you can always share it with the opposite gender, because I think now men are as aware as women are. I would just want to quote a small incident which recently happened. So I'm a mother of a 10-year-old.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड जिस तरह से लाइफस्टाइल चल रही है, सारी चीज़ें बड़ी जल्दी हो रही हैं. चिल्ड्रन आर गेटिंग मैच्योर वेरी सून, बोथ फिजिकली एंड मेंटली. सो
Right.
समय के हिसाब से हमें भी बदलना पड़ेगा. सो आई हैड टू टेल माई चाइल्ड सर्टन थिंग्स अबाउट रिप्रोडक्शन. सो ही इज़ अवेयर, ही इज़ हेल्पफुल एंड सपोर्टिव टू हिज फेलो गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास इफ दे एनकाउंटर देयर फर्स्ट पीरियड.
Very good.
तो बोलना और इजीली बात करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. ना ही रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में बट मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में भी.
Exactly.
क्योंकि ये सब कोरिलेटेड और कनेक्टेड है. जितना हम चीज़ों के बारे में खुलकर बात करेंगे उतना हमें ज्ञान मिलेगा, उतना हम वाद विवाद कर पाएंगे
Exactly.
और एक करेक्ट निष्कर्ष पर आ पाएंगे कि हाँ भाई
बहुत।
दिस इज़ करेक्ट फॉर द सोसाइटी, दिस इज़ प्रॉबली नॉट दैट अप्रोप्रिएट.
बिल्कुल बजा फरमाया आपने. Changing the topic, you are a life coach also. You conduct sessions for corporate people, for so many people. So present generation, present student, it is said that social media somehow affects. What tips would you like to give to the student community as a life coach?
Very, very good question, very, very good topic, because I think हर इंसान कुछ ना कुछ अचीव करना चाहता है अपने लाइफ में,
जी.
लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो रास्ते से भटक जाते हैं.
जी
वो बहुत नेचुरल टेंडेंसी होती है हमारी कि वी डाइग्रेस एंड वी गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड.
जी.
अगर हम कोई किताब भी पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं तो अगर म्यूज़िक चालू हो जाए या कोई बैकग्राउंड में बात करने लगे तो हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
Imagine it in multiple folds with everything that's available over the internet. क्या सुने, किस पर फोकस करें, जल्दी से स्क्रॉल करके किसी और जॉनर पे आ जाएं, किसी और नीश पे आ जाएं, एंड देन यू समवेयर डाउन द लाइन फॉरगेट कि आप ढूंढ क्या रहे थे. कई बार आप फ़ोन उठाते हैं और आप भूल जाते हैं कि आपने फ़ोन क्यों उठाया था. दैट इज़ बिकॉज you're getting distracted so much that you do not know how to concentrate or focus on one particular point. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वर्चुअल लाइफ से निकल कर रियल लाइफ में अपने पोजीशन और अपने कैरेक्टर को समझें. ठीक है, बहुत ज़रूरी है सोशल मीडिया में भी अपडेटेड होना, बिकॉज जिस तरीके से शक्कर ज़्यादा लें तो हानिकारक हो सकती है, सही अमाउंट में लें तो मिठास डाल सकती है. सेम चीज़ सोशल मीडिया के साथ है. आप उसे अपने तरीके से यूज़ करें, सोशल मीडिया को आपको यूज़ करने ना दें.
जी.
तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप सोशल इंटरेक्शंस को बहुत महत्व दें.
जी.
गो एंड मीट पीपल हु आर फिजिकली अवेलेबल. वट एवर यू लर्न on social media, you can definitely talk with people, but unless and until you get out in the real world,
Right.
you expose yourself to the experiences, you fall and you get up, that is when you will build up your character.
Exactly, character, a big word you used. And character building पे तो बहुत काम हो रहा है और होना चाहिए. And I would like to tell you, Apeksha ma'am, that I am one of the lucky ones who is working in an institution, which has got everything to offer to students.
Right.
Now it's all up to the desires and the inquisitiveness of the students, how they grasp things. So what is your say about our BSS and BSS campus? You have come before also. You were one of our you were the chief guest for a function. So how do you feel? How is it all about coming to BSS? How does it feel?
Oh, it was a wonderful experience to see the youth having that level of talent, and to see the actual harnessing of the talent here at BSS brings me a lot of joy, because I was lucky to be a spectator at the Freshers Party last year.
Yes.
And I saw how amazing the band was here.
Rhythm.
Yes, rhythm was
Amazing. Yeah, really.
they were methodical, they were soothing to the ears.
Right, man.
And they were going with the flow, and it really set the tune and mood of that event that day. And I have the fondest memories, not just of the band but also of the participants who were there.
Yes.
Of the students who were cheering the people who were there on stage, of the faculty who was very, very supportive to me. In fact, there are so many people who are working here at BSS as staff faculty who happen to be my seniors from school.
Okay.
So not just providing education, quality education, but they're also providing good opportunities to people who are academically very strong and who can build a workforce which has intellectually superior content to provide to the world. So I think BSS in that manner is doing a phenomenal job, and I have been lucky to be a part of BSS for the second time.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And next question I would like to ask about time management. Young generation, especially students, they complain that we don't have time. You are doing so many things. What have you to say about work-life balance and time management in a student's life?
Oh, it is the key to success. You need to have balance of everything, when you get up and when you sleep. And something that pushes you to manage time consistently is discipline. So some days you will not feel like doing it, some days you will be too enthused to do it, but there's only discipline which will create consistency and make you follow a particular cycle or a pattern. And success is something which does not come overnight.
Yes.
It is a congruation of small habits that you build up over time. और फिर जब वो एक threshold cross करता है, तब लोगों को दिखना शुरू होता है कि what you've achieved. So have that perseverance, और एक अपना टाइम टेबल ज़रूर सेटअप करें. बहुत मुश्किल है because बहुत सारे distractions हैं in terms of night life, having fun and मस्ती, but you have to strike that balance. And I feel 4 areas में अगर आपने अपने आप को manage कर लिया तो आप बहुत अच्छे से अपने goals achieve कर सकते हैं और balance maintain कर सकते हैं. पहला है physical.
Okay.
So make sure you indulge in some sort of physical activity, चाहे वो running हो, walking हो, gymming हो, weightlifting हो, pilates हो, yoga, whatever.
Okay.
Do it. Second is your emotional time
yeah.
that you invest in. So make sure you have someone you can share your thoughts with, someone you
Right.
can share your feelings with. It could
Very.
be your mother, it could be your boyfriend, it could be your girlfriend, it could be just a friend,
Yes.
or it could be your mentor,
Or your
it could be your
siblings,
teacher,
yes.
sibling, anybody who you feel very, very comfortable with.
Exactly.
So that sort of investment is very much important.
Right.
Then comes your mental investment. जिस तरीके से जब हमें भूख लगती है तो हम अच्छा खाना खाते हैं और वो हमें न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करता है. सिमिलरली योर ब्रेन रिक्वायर्स गुड कंटेंट. So make sure you read a good excerpt either from a newspaper or from a motivational coach or whoever you like.
जी.
तो आपके दिमाग को हर दिन थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना मिलता रहेगा.
बहुत बढ़िया.
तो
जी.
वो नरिश होता रहेगा.
Right.
चौथा जो आता है वो है स्पिरिचुअल.
Spirituality.
एंड दैट इज़ होप, दैट इज़ फेथ. तो जब आप डगमगाते हैं, गिरते हैं, हताश होते हैं, तो ये चीज़ आपको होल्ड करके रखती है. इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेयर्स, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सत्संग, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिसनिंग टू अ पॉडकास्ट, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जस्ट मेडिटेटिंग और सिटिंग क्वाइटली इन योर रूम. बट यू
Exactly.
नीड टू फाइंड आउट टाइम फॉर दीज थिंग्स. ये चारों एरियाज अगर आपने मैनेज कर लिए तो cutting long story short, sky is the limit and you will attain whatever you want to in life.
Right, it is rightly said. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and people like Apeksha Dabral and many more people, they should be our role models because, they have brought accolades, they have earned success, and of course, they are successful in their personal lives as well, upbringing their children, upbringing their families, and of course, spreading positivity, hope, and above all, doing honorable jobs, knowing their limits. So, last but not the least, ma'am, I would like to ask you that what message, already you have shared so much of knowledge, so much of expertise with our students, what message you would like to give to our BSSites and especially in general BSS Rhythm, and then we'll wind it up.
Bilkul, bilkul. So I think it's a very crisp message. I was just sitting in the morning doing my mental charging up.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे ही मुझे 3 शब्द ध्यान आए. Heal, seal and deal.
Wow.
Heal yourself.
Heal yourself.
अगर कोई भी तकलीफ होती है, any kind of wound you get, physical, mental, emotional.
जी.
Second is seal it.
Seal it.
Seal इसलिए करिए ताकि कोई और फिर से आपको परेशान न कर पाए और वो चीज़ हील हो जाए अच्छे
Heal हो
से.
जाए.
और डील करिए क्योंकि कोई गारंटी नहीं है ऐसी सिचुएशन बाद में ना आए.
Very good.
तो उसे डील करने के लिए भी अपने आप को तैयार रखिए. सो हील, सील एंड डील.
Very good. Rightly said. Okay, so I think it was a wonderful talk. You shared all your experiences. Last but not the least, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? What is the next good news coming up from Mrs. Apeksha Dabral, Mrs. India, and the Universal Woman of India?
Oh, definitely, sir. I was fortunate enough to be born in the city of Lakes, Bhopal. And I was furthermore fortunate to travel around the world for more than 10 years.
Okay.
So I was a flight attendant earlier. And that was the time when I got into introspection where I learned traveling जो सिखा पाता है वो कभी कभी किताबें नहीं सिखा पाती. तो मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं प्रैक्टिकल और थियोरेटिकल दोनों नॉलेज ले पाऊँ और मुझे मौका मिला कि मैं क्रॉस कल्चरल अवेयरनेस समझ पाती. मैं मल्टी नेशनल कंपनी में काम कर पाई, हर नेशनैलिटी के इंसान के साथ काम कर पाई, उसके थॉट प्रोसेस को समझ पाई,
जी.
उनके साथ एक रैपो बिल्ड कर पाई. और मुझे लगता है कि भोपाल जैसी सिटी में इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स हॉन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बहुत ज़रूरी है.
क्योंकि टेक्निकली सब लोग बहुत स्मार्ट और इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं,
जी.
लेकिन वो क्या चीज़ है दैट सेट्स यू अपार्ट फ्रॉम द अदर पर्सन.
Right.
So whatever I have gathered through my exposure internationally, I would want to bring it to the table as a non-verbal communication
Very
coach,
good.
as a body language coach. कि अगर आप किसी रूम में एंटर होते हैं तो 2 या 3 सेकंड के अंदर हम एक ओपिनियन बना लेते हैं विच इज़ वेरी
Exactly.
नेचुरल. तो वो ओपिनियन आपका पॉजिटिव बने
Right.
ताकि आप आगे एक्सेल कर पाएँ. इन सब चीज़ों पे हम अक्सर ध्यान नहीं देते बट ये बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं बिकॉज बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज़ एन इनवॉलंटरी थिंग एंड इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस कम्युनिकेशन. नोबडी कैन स्टॉप इट. सो when you're listening to me, I know you're listening to me because I can see your body, moving in a particular manner. The other person sitting here is also a passive listener, but
Exactly.
मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि कई सारे points हैं जो वो मेरे सुन रहे हैं, and he's not telling me that. It's all the body language that is communicating this. So I would want to excel my expertise in the field of non-verbal communication and body language, especially for the youth who is wanting to venture out into the world and explore endless opportunities. And in the end, I would only want to say कि खूबसूरत होना बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अच्छा होना उससे भी खूबसूरत बात है, और आप अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से बहुत अच्छा हो सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल सही कहा मैम ने. एक्शंस स्पीक लाउडर देन वर्ड्स, and every expression leaves an impression.
Absolutely.
And your face is the index of your heart. So many times you may be hearing but you may not be listening. And to be a good listener, it is said, if you want to be a good speaker, first you have to be a good listener.
Oh, you always have to be a good listener.
Yes, God also wants us to speak less and listen more. That is why we have got only one mouth to speak and two ears to listen. So we were listening to you and your words of wisdom and your words of knowledge. Thank you very much, Apeksha ma'am, for being a part of BSS Rhythm podcast and for sharing knowledge. From this beautiful family of BSSs and BSS Rhythm, we would like to extend our gratitude and we would like to extend our best wishes to you for your future endeavors. May you keep on spreading positivity, spreading knowledge and enlightenment of minds. So thank you very much. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you very much, sir. Truly indebted. And thank you, BSS Rhythm, for listening to me.
Thank you.
BSS Rhythm.